Okay, we are in section 241. We want to solve a formula for a variable. Previously, in our solving equation problem, we're always solving this type of problem, only one variable and some number and combine the like term. So this is solving for x, this type of problem previously. Now, in this section, we will get into our solving equation, okay? Linear equation with, or whatever, with, more than one variable. In this case, we have variable x, y, and z, and constant. We want to solve x. How do we do that? This is slightly different, but not that much different. We are treating y and z as a number. So let's get into our problem. And these are definitely going to be on your exam and final exam also. First problem, checkpoint number 3. Want to use the page number 137. The problem, solve t big T equal d plus mp. We want to solve, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 variable. We want to solve this m. With the rule to solve the problem is still exactly the same. We want to undo, we want to isolate everything to the other side, only leave one variable, single variable on the other side. But follow the order, always undo the addition or subtraction first before you handle the p. This one is difficult, so you don't deal with p first. You deal with this d. You subtract the d. Effectively move this d to the other side of the equation before you deal with this m. Now you can deal with this m. Since p is multiply your m, so you divide it by, always undo that by, you multiply, you divide. Be sure this, the line of fraction bar long enough to cover these two. So let's cancel m, cancel this p. So your n equal t minus d fraction bar over p. Or you can rewrite this as 2 fraction t over p minus d over p. Okay? Just write one of them, either this way or this way. That's our first quick question. Next one, problem we want to get into our checkpoint number 4. Checkpoint number 4, this is our page number 138. The problem involving fraction. Solve for x. So x over 3 minus 4y equal 5 for x. So we want to solve x, but here we want to delay this. You get rid of these negative 4y first. Okay? Plus 4y, plus 4y. So what you see is, okay, move it up here. You get x over 3. This will cancel. Equal 5 plus 4y. First step. Always undo the most irrelevant thing. These are most irrelevant. These are relevant. So we get into this. Now we're dealing with fraction. Since the fraction bar, denominator is 3, we multiply by 3 for all terms. Okay? 3. That means multiply, distribute this in. This will cancel. X equal 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 4y, 12y. That's our second problem. X equal 15 plus 12y. So that's the answer, solution that we want here. Solving equation with more than one variable. Okay? This name is solve formula for a variable. Treated this as formula. But we can say solve an equation with more than one variable. Problem. Next one, we have little time. Next one, we want to get to solve our problem our exercise problem number 24. This is in our page number 144. Okay? That problem, A equal 1/2 H, parentheses, A plus B. We want to solve for this one, A. Okay? How do we do it? We have variable A, H, A, B. Solve A. So, since this variant here, never try to solve this first. You just treated this as black box. How do you undo this 1/2 H? So you can multiply by 2, both sides. So let's see. This is 1/2 H, A plus B. You want to multiply by 2, so undo this 2, and then divide it by H. You can see this is like a multiplier reciprocal undo this. So the other side, multiply exactly the same thing. As you can see, 2 cancel, H cancel. That's the most best way to handle this. So your variable disappear. These two variables disappear. And then you can, without writing the parentheses. On the right hand side, on the left hand side you have, this is like 1 here, fraction multiply fraction 2A over H, like this. Next, okay, now since you can see that pretty clear, well now do this B. It's just subtract B. Subtract B, write it out like this. 2A, be sure to copy your things correctly. This is a single number, and then subtract B, okay? Equal A. This is our problem 24. Pretty complicated. You want to undo this one first, okay? That's our answer.